Test 3 on the mics. Just going to see the old fart, see if it works. Right, old fart. He's ignoring me, he's concentrating, he's multitasking. Yeah, I'm not videoing. Have I got a camera in my hand? Have I got a camera in my hand? Right, give us a little chat, Big C.
Yeah, just coming round gotta come in close to this boat and then
I don't give a fuck what you're doing. This is like a sound test.
Sound test, 1, 2, 3.
Prick. Do I need a fucking haircut?
You ain't got no hair on your head to cut.
Where do you want me to move the landing mat? No, backwards. Backwards a bit. Up a bit lower. Well, fuck me, he got it on the mat, and I got that on video. Got it on fucking video as well. What do you reckon? Are you impressed with your little landing there, Big C?
Yeah, man. Alright, drone is off.
Do you feel like you've accomplished something?
Did accomplish something? It's not no matter, did I? Oh, I forgot to stop film.
Oh, fucking simple little task.
That's you pissing around with me again.
I haven't played with you.
Yeah, and you're distracting me.
And that's my fault.
Yeah. This is your fucking fault, isn't it?
Oh yeah, silly old fart.
I'll tell you what, if that's fucked up now, that's your fault.
But do you want me to fly it for you as well?
Oh, I've just got to make sure that the file's not corrupt, don't I?
Is that owl poo?
What?
Sorry, I was concentrating.
I tell you. Okay, bastard.
Is it on there? You probably fucking forgot to push record.
No, I didn't. That's what you get when some knobhead is trying to distract you and you're trying to concentrate.
This is a man wearing slip-on shoes.
I'm not wearing slip-on. They're sneakers, you bumper ass.
Sneakers? What, you sneak them onto your feet without
Right,
doing
so
that?
Shush. That's... fucking dickhead. Right.
Right.
Video is off. Turn the drone
Have
off.
a piss, Big C.
We'll just wait for the tide to go out a bit more and see if we can see the boats, yeah?
Because Big C can't swim.
Jesus, I've got poxy fucking wires all over the place. I had some of them same birds whizzing round the drone back up over up the river there a bit, and I wonder what they are.
Birds,
They're not shite hawks, are they? So I enjoyed that. That was good. Some nice 45 down the side here, round there, back up the canal. Check that out. Did a droney from the ground up to get the two boats in. Maybe a good start, you know, for the boat graveyard. You know what I mean?
Very well.
So, yeah, well, I'm not sure if the boats would be further down where the bridge.
There's a mile down that way.
Is that where it is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I know what I forgot to do. Yeah.
Push record?
No.
Oh.
I'll tell you what, you're some fucking character, aren't you? Make me forget all the fucking time.
Now, spouse.
So why doesn't this thing come up with
no satellites?
Well, you wouldn't, would you? On that fucking piece of shit.
Yeah, well, Big C's just toe punted the the drone.
Toe punted the MA2.
So we just checked that
Well, that's your own fucking fault for not putting on a landing mat. You want me to move the landing pad?
No, that's all right. You should be all right there.
Forward.
Right, RC signal interference, and I'm only fucking, and that's cock in the air. Fuck off.
Bastard things, aren't they?
Well, that's it. Very quiet.
Who?
We've got the mics on.
I know.
We're videoing.
Yeah, but you're busy. I was going to have a piss somewhere. You don't have to be bitching all the time, you know. You give it a break every now and again.
Well, I just come out for air.
So this one here, this barge here was beached 29th of January 1951. It was built in 1894. Length 78.7 feet, width 18 feet, 6'9" in depth. Gross tonnage 65 tons. Sponsor.
There we go.
Battery number 2.
You know, if you just put it down there, do you want me to see if I can drop kick it out there for you?
Yeah, but at least I don't put it over there on the anywhere in the mud.
Well, you fucking watch me put
Jesus.
it down and you've seen an old cunt.
At least put it on the fucking landing mat.
Fucking wank.
Huh?
Huh?
So where's your landing mat?
In my bag.
There's no fucking good in there, is it? You should put it over next to me and put your fucking drone on that. You just put it over here.
Yeah, I just lobbed it up. You flying today or? Fucking.
I got one battery left. And I'm going to do some quick shots out there.
So you waiting for the optimum moment?
Yeah. I'm just chilling out, man. Is there any fucking rush? Is there a rush today? Are we rushing? Huh?
Well, no, I'm just a bit nervous because obviously we're in your car. And I'm thinking, well, it's going to be 3 to 4 hours for the recovery to get here, to get it going. You know. And I'm having a Chinese tonight. I've got something to look forward to.
You can always walk home.
Well, yeah, I got my rucksack now, haven't I?
Yeah, you got your rucksack. Got your camera, so you can keep a tab on it. You know?
Yeah. Got me sat nav. I wouldn't leave a man in distress. Just think that'd be 3 hours of fucking piss take waiting for the recovery truck to turn up.
Yeah. Bottom of your fuck.
Have you seen the water? Yeah, oh, that's right, you stopped. Morning.
Where the fucking hell are those boats?
Well, it went straight in front of
No,
us.
the ones in the water.
Oh, them.
The ones that hit, the 2 tankers.
Yeah, you need that feature, don't you, Colin? You know, because otherwise you can't.
Ha ha ha, yeah. He says, yeah. Yeah, but with him, the landing pad keeps moving. Because he'll manually land out there somewhere and say the map blew out the way or something. But now we've got the camera on it, there's no excuse. I got evidence of it, yeah.
Are you local?
Yeah, Slimbridge.
Right. Yeah, I was just trying to work out where the shipwrecks are.
You can see them there.
Is that them just there, is it?
They're starting to appear.
Yeah, ah, right.
Oh, is that them? I thought they were further down.
No, just here.
I did say that to him earlier, and he said it was a duck.
No, I mean, it's
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no, you'll be up to your knees in muck.
He wouldn't let me in his car with muddy boots.
one of your main hobbies, is it?
Yeah, it just gets us out of the house.
Yeah.
You can tell by us we don't do a lot of cycling, do we?
You talk for yourself. Jesus. I got one in the garage. Yeah, he needs one because he can't pedal
I
it.
want one with an
A
engine
little
on.
size of him.
I was there, pup, getting out of the shed.
He'd give up as soon as he got off the drive because it's uphill.
I'd go down and ring the wife to come pick me
Come, come pick you up.
up. Tell her I got a puncture.
You could get some nice goats.
On there, you just got to be careful when you clip it on and off. If you look at the screen, you're all right. But if you push that button again, see the line goes through, you're muting yourself then, and it won't record you. So everything's recording.
I don't want to mute, do I?
No.
No. I want to get all the verbal abuse that I get in the day, you know.
Well, you fooled him anyway, because he said, you look like you know what you're doing. That's it, we're just on the way home in the Pitmobile with big sea bollocks.
Doing 40.
40.
No, sorry. Yeah, 40. I couldn't see the speedo then.
The car is now started 3 times now.
In a row?
In a row, yeah.
Twice.
By that tractor.
Twice. Once
Bloke's
tonight.
lunatic, he's overtaken the tractor. So on reflection, how well do you think we've done today, Big C?
Very well. Very enjoyable. Very enjoyable. But your your drone's shit because it keeps losing signal and you panic. I can't get over how you panic like a little baby.
I only noticed it.
Spat the dummy out.
I only noticed when it when you come near me, it interfered. I think it was your pacemaker.
Where am I going? I should have gone right there, shouldn't I?
No, just keep going this way.
You sure?
Yeah, it'll be all right. See these.
Continue on Dursley Road for half a mile.
Oh, we done quite well now.
You did. It was very good. Got some good yarring in. Bastard.
Yeah, well.
You'll see when I show you the video. You'll see just how good the yarring was.
Yeah, well, we just got to wait now a couple of weeks for Big C's computer to fire up, and he can process a couple of pictures.
Second exit onto Kings Hill Road.
Well, let's have a look at the photographs. They should be all right.
Yeah.
With a slight bit of editing.
No, Big C is getting better now. He hasn't got so much motion blur in his photography.
In my stills.
In his stills. Yeah, going right down here. That's it. Just going into the back of Dursley. All fun by all.